Problems involving money. It is very important that you are able to solve problems involving money so that when you get into the shop, you are able to compare prices and you are able to finally buy what is cheaper to buy. Now we're going to use the example on the board. Mr. Lamini bought 12 soccer balls for his team. He paid 7,236 emalangeni in total for all the balls. How much did he pay for each ball? Now, before you can start solving this word problem, you must first collect the facts which are in the word problem. One of the facts that we know is that he bought 12 soccer balls. That is a fact that is in the word problem. Another fact is that he paid. That is what we are told. 7,236 in total, which means for all the balls. So we're not told how much he paid for one ball. That is the question. How much did he pay for each ball? So each stands for one. So each ball for one ball. So we only know that he paid 7,236 for 12 balls. So how do we know? How do we calculate? So to avoid guessing the operation that you will use, because most of the time students then guess, they can just multiply here without knowing why they are multiplying. They can even divide without knowing why they are dividing. So to avoid that, you need to identify which one is equals to the other on the facts that you have been given. For an example, 12 balls are equals to 7,236. So for 7,236, you only buy 12 balls. So that is a ratio equivalent. It's equals 12 balls are equals to 7,236. But the question is on one ball. So the left side is for balls, the right side is for money. So one ball is written on the side of the balls. So we want to know how much. So we want money. Now once you have written it like this, then it becomes clear or easy, because you know that when you have got a situation like this, you just multiply across. We are going to say one ball multiplied by 7,236, and then you divide everything by this number that will be there. In our case, it is 12. So 12 balls. You will remember when we were changing grams to kilograms, that once you have units that are the same under the dividing line and above the dividing line, they cancel out. For an example, balls will cancel balls, so no balls. We are now only left with emalangeni, because the question is on emalangeni. 1 times 7,236 is 7,236. Everything is divided by 12. 7,236 divided by 12. When we are doing long division, we are going to say 7,236 divided by 12. Like that. So 12 into 7, it doesn't go. 12 into 72, it goes 6 times. And you say 6 times 12 is 72. You subtract 2 minus 2 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0, and then you have to bring down 3. Remember, you only bring down one number at a time. You cannot bring down 3 and also bring down 6 at the same time. So we are going to see now, how many times does 12 goes into 3? It doesn't go, so you write 0 there, and then you say 0 multiplied by 12 is 0. You subtract 3 minus 0 is 3. Now you can bring down 6. 12 into 36, it goes 3 times. 3 times 12 is 36. You subtract. So the 6 minus 6 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0. So now you know the cost of each ball. So it's 603 emalangen. So you did not guess whether you are going to divide or multiply. Well, once you have written the equivalent ratios, then the direction that you are going to take will be shown to you. Thank you.